Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. And today, we're going to try to fly the old Arrows Bearcat. It's been quite a while, and I just felt like I had to get out and fly it. It's been so sunny and shiny the last few days, but this wind is just crazy. And hopefully the Bearcat can handle it. It's been a little while since I've had it in the air, and we're dealing with the 15 to 20 mile an hour range on this wind, so crossing my fingers. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, today the wind is coming out of the west, maybe a little bit to the south, but mostly the west. So we're clear at the back of the lot, and we're going to be flying over this field and then try to bring in a nice landing. But you can see the wind is blowing the airplane away. Let's get some speed going here. Oh goodness. There we go, we're in the air. I am in high rates. Let's get the gear up. So if it does fall down, I don't break them out of there again. I could probably switch to low rates today, but oh, that gear didn't go all the way up. Let's bring it back around and see how it looks. Yep, it's definitely hanging down. Let's see if cycling it helped. Still hanging down, so maybe that one, maybe I didn't get that one quite fixed quite right, but hopefully we can get it back on the ground safely. This wind is pretty ridiculous today, and it's been so long since I've flown this airplane, I can't remember if I flew it in low rates. I am in high rates, and it does feel a little squirrely. So let's go to low rates. Hopefully I'll still have enough control. I do remember that it didn't like for me to mess with the down elevator when rolling. It's gonna be fun landing this thing. The wind is crazy. Oh shoot. Of course, the wind has got my eyes watering. I'm trying to blink so I can see decent. Another reason I'm flying downwind is because the sun is on the other side. I am flying pretty tight. I am flying on a 3S 2200, and I think these Warbirds, I've flew them quite a bit on 4S. So, especially in this wind, it probably would have liked to have had the 4S. There I pushed down on the elevator just a little bit. It's just natural instinct for me. And you can see it. It didn't like it too much. It bubbled up. It wants to just straight roll just like that. Trying not to get over this van over here in the corner. I do have safe set up. I did throw in a new receiver, so I'm not sure how good it on. Ooh, there the wind picked way up. Let's try safe real quick. It leveled out, and it's holding pretty straight. That looks pretty good. That's almost no hands. I am giving it just a little bit of left aileron, but it's not wanting to do much because I'm in low rates. So let's go to high rates. I'm sure it'll help some. I got awfully far back there because when you're in low rates and safe, that bank angle is very small. Pushing down on the elevator. So I feel like we'll probably use safe to land this thing because it does feel like it's helping those wings stay level, and that's going to be important. Yep, safe, making it much easier. I did charge these batteries up a couple days ago, so I probably should go ahead and get the gear down. Hopefully that one is solid and can land on it. It's hard to tell. I had to glue one of them back in from the last time I had it out. About half throttle here, if that tells you anything. Here we're on the ground though. So let me get this thing. I'm using throttle to try and hold it still. I'll get it shut down and I'll get it in the back of the truck. So I did check when I picked it up, and the one retract isn't working part of the time. It's hanging up, even going down. So I'll have to do some more work on it, but it flew great. Just the way I remember. I love flying the Bearcat from Arrows. These warbirds, pretty good value, and they haven't done too much craziness with the price on them, like some brands have, and I'm pretty happy with this one. Unfortunately, this one's not for sale anymore, but the other ones are still listed on the Hobby Zone webpage. So if you guys are interested, to go check out those Arrows warbirds. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.